Hey, what's up guys? Chris here, and I'm here with my awesome friend Avi, which you guys know from God of War Rise of the Sun. And guess where we are?
We are in Sweden, and welcome to Valhalla.
What's up guys? Chris here, and I'm here with my awesome friend Avi, which you guys know from God of War Rise of the Sun, as well as Star Wars Duel of the Force. Where are we, Avi, and what are we doing?
We are in Sweden, in Gothenburg, and guys, seriously, I wish you could be here, or I wish at least we could have filmed it here, because the place is amazing. Anyway, we're gonna try to tell you some things about the film, tell you some things on how did we shoot it, some behind the scenes stuff.
Yeah, basically we'll talk to you guys a bit about the story, the characters, what went into making it, some challenges, and hopefully you guys are gonna enjoy it.
Yep, that's pretty much the goal.
Awesome. So should we start with the story?
Yeah, so a lot of people got really confused with the main story.
Yeah.
It's because we wanted to have our own take to it. So what we usually do is, like, Chris has an idea and we make it happen, and then I have an idea and we make it happen.
Yep.
And this time was my turn. I said, you know what, Chris? We're both big fans of the God of War saga. Shouldn't
we started playing it since we were kids, like God of War 1 in PlayStation 2, basically.
Yeah. I mean, you remember those days.
Yeah.
But you know, the thing is that we actually are like really big fans of the saga, and I said, you know what, maybe we'll try to do a short film about it.
Yeah.
And our main issue was, like, what are we gonna do?
Yeah, because, you know, Kratos is kind of like bigger than life, and we can't really make a film with Kratos in it. So we said, you know what, he's kind of young-ish, right? So we're like, we really loved God of War 4, and we're like, what if we make something after that? Like, a couple of years has passed, Atreus is older.
Yeah.
So that's how it started. Of course, we wanted to release it on YouTube, so we wanted kind of an action-oriented short film, like always, so we had to have a fight scene. So basically, we're like, okay, older Atreus, fight scene, that was our starting point, basically.
Yeah, pretty much. So yeah, that's we decided to incorporate Greek elements and Scandinavian elements on the character, kind of make him a bit different from what we're used to. Like, he was more like his mother in the game, and now we said let's implement some stuff from his father's side too.
Yeah, because the concept was like, he's older, right, and he spends even more time with just his father, so he kind of has the beard like his dad to kind of resemble him. He has Greek tattoos, but also Nordic ones, and he still struggles with his identity. Like, he still, like, we were really focused on the character from the game, so we wanted to have him hear the whispers and the voices just like in the game.
Yeah, so, like, we had some ideas to incorporate the bow, which I seriously think that probably in the future he will keep using. But, like, we wanted to keep it also simple enough in order to be possible, because, guys, like, to have to achieve a certain standard, you have to make sacrifices. Otherwise, if you're gonna include everything, it's gonna ruin the total value of the project.
Yeah, and it's tricky because you know, I'm a guy that's working full-time, he's a guy that works full-time. We put our own money and time into this, so it's not like we have a huge studio backing us up. So we have to incorporate all of our limitations with the best story that we can give this.
Yeah, that's true. So as you mentioned, like, the budget's a big thing. We didn't want to spend a lot of money on it.
I mean, if we had money, we would, because it would be amazing, like we said, if we could shoot it here, because it's gorgeous.
That's true.
But we didn't. And actually, I never told you this, guys, but I think it's time to let them know what the budget is.
Go for it.
So the total budget, it was 300, 350?
Yeah, somewhere about
That's it. US. Like my own gear, some gear that Avis has, some of our great professional friends that we trusted, and time, dedication, and commitment. That was it.
Exactly. Guys, seriously, because of the help of some good friends, and due to like a lot of effort from our part, the budget at least never exceeded $400 I would say.
Gas and stuff, and
like
things like that. Yeah, but I think the end result is epic. Like, I don't know.
I mean, we're very happy with the result. I mean,
and you guys loved it. Like, for the most part, the feedback the constructive that we got from you guys was awesome.
That's true. That's true. So yeah, like that's basically it. I wanna share with you guys also. Like, I think it's very important. To share that I came at least into a realization. Even when you film something completely independent, even if there is not like a big budget behind it, it's very important to know that you're working with professionals, because we did face, like, we had to reallocate the shooting 3 times because there were like some people who I mean, it comes with the territory of independent filmmaking, you guys know, but I think what you're trying to say, like, it's a good lesson. If you can, guys, get professional help. Like, even if you have to pay $50 for like 4 hours or something, I don't know, it depends on where you are, honestly. It will make a difference, because you do not want to show up on the day of the shoot and have people split on you. And it's also very important, even if you, like, I'll tell you later, and you'll probably get to know me in that part. I really like, you know, that to improvise a bit, and to improvise.
You have to improvise.
You have to.
Like, you don't have a choice. And you have to be open and think on your feet to get the best result, basically. So, on that note, what's your favorite moment or scene or anything from like the whole project? So,
I think, like, when it comes to a scene, it was like the scene that we did. Remember, like, with the log, like, there was a.
Of course, it was that scene.
It's like a scene that was totally improvisational.
Okay, let's show the scene.
So yeah, pretty much an awesome scene, I would say.
Freaking epic.
So yeah, basically, like, what I really liked about the scene was that it was totally improvisational. Like, we wanted to use the tree just to have an effect.
We just found the tree.
We just found the tree, and Chris was like, okay, let's use it as a means of it being there as a collateral damage after the clash. Yeah, and like, after like we did it, was pretty awesome, and I said, you know what? I think I can really throw it over my head, because it doesn't seem like a big log.
To show like he's actually like now he's being serious, you know, like before he didn't want to fight and stuff, but now he's like on point.
And like, I did that, and it actually worked, and I'm very happy for it. I think it's one of the hit moments of the shoot. So okay, awesome. Quick question though. Like, he asked me just like a minute ago, what's my favorite moment also, and I think, like, you at this point you should tell us what's your favorite moment, because I'm pretty sure I know.
Okay. It was really awesome that we could incorporate the Greek mythology and like the Greek stuff, because that came from like Kratos' past, and I really like that link that we were able to pull off with the story. That was like really awesome to me, and like the villains and the twist at the end with the girl. I thought it was really awesome, and we did want to leave it open-ended. So that was a really cool point in regards to like the project and the story itself. But the favorite moment had to be when we were really fortunate and we were able to show it in the cinema. Like, we were really fortunate to have amazing people, and we were able to gather family and friends and show it in the big screen for one time. But that one time, guys, it was everything to me.
I will have some scene, like, right now we can show you some footage from the actual cinema.
I mean, we couldn't record, but we can show a photo, I bet.
Sure, whatever. So but actually, referring to your previous point, that's true, because a lot of you had a lot of questions about the origins of the villains. I think it's good to cover it.
Basically, the point of that was that in Greek mythology you had the 12 gods like Zeus, Poseidon, and all that stuff, and Kratos did a really good job, you know, eliminating those. But when it comes to Greece, those gods based on the mythology, had like kids, had other stuff within each other, Game of Thrones things. And you had like demigods and things like that. So the concept was that those two were from Greece and they were like the sons, whatever, of someone. And because revenge, etc., they found Kratos, and you know, family to family, blood to blood, things like that. And yeah, that was it. But we want to leave it open-ended so that anyone could like make their own assumptions based on the things that we gave you guys.
Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, I think it's self-explanatory after a point.
Yeah.
And as you already know, me and Chris, as I told you before, actually always try to work on new projects. So I would recommend you to stay tuned. Who knows? Maybe we're here for a reason.
Who knows?
Who knows?
Who knows?
And
yeah, basically, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short behind the scenes. I mean, it is extremely windy, but we had to do it. There was no way. And do stay tuned, because more awesome things are coming.
Yeah. Check our social media. Check the videos coming on. And yeah, stay tuned.
Awesome, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Stay awesome.